Hey all, this is Loden, and I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to install the C.O.F.F.E.E mod pack using Arma 3 Sync. Alright, so when you first open up Arma 3 Sync, you may have some stuff on the left-hand side, sometimes auto scans, don't worry about it. Usually both these tabs are going to be blank, that's not a concern, just pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. So up here at the top, we have add-on options, launcher options, online, external apps, and repos. We want to go to repositories. Over on the right-hand side, we have a bunch of little options. Same thing down here at the bottom. Don't worry if yours is blank. We're going to fix that right now. First option is add a new repository. Going to click on that, and you're going to Control V. That is copy paste. Let's not add a space to that though. The link into the public auto config URL. Click import, and then if you've done everything correctly, you'll see a nice connection success in a beautiful green. If you've done it wrong, you'll see a connection failed in a beautiful red. Okay, everything looks good. C.O.F.F.E.E Arma, that's the URL, that's the port. Click OK. Synchronizing with repositories. Now, you'll see if you have any other repositories, you'll see it added. If you don't have any other repositories, you'll see this being the only one. C.O.F.F.E.E Arma. Okay, status updated. That means the repository has been updated and we need to connect to it so we can update it ourselves. So we're going to go down here to the bottom right to the arrow entering the door and connect to repository. The repository is going to then scan the files on the PC and see if you have it. If it doesn't, you're screwed. We need to update, right? If it does not do this and you don't get these little yellow alert signs right here, click the green check mark and it'll force it to do it again. So basically all we're going to do is click everything. Click, 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 click. Then we're going to click the play button to download. Now, we're downloading the mods. It's going to be fairly quick because I'm the only one doing it right now. Alright, and we are back. The download has finished up. Just have a couple more steps and then we will be ready to play. So, download is finished. Click OK. Acre 2 files have changed. Proceed with Acre installer. You may not have that. Don't worry. That's what we're about to go over. First, we need to go over to add-ons, and you'll see some new things have been added here on the left-hand side. That's good. That means your add-ons installed properly. Hooray. Next thing we need to do is create an add-on group to launch the game with. We're going to go over to this, check mark that says mod sets. Click mod sets. A3Sync is going to synchronize. You may have some here, you may not, but the one you should have is C.O.F.F.E.E. Click C.O.F.F.E.E. Click OK. You should now see all of those mods that were just added to the left in the C.O.F.F.E.E. folder. So now if you need to launch the game, you would just click that, close, start game. The last thing we need to do, though, before we can do that is the Acre 2 installer. So we're just going to open that up. This is going to default to a blank folder, so you're just going to need to find wherever you have your TeamSpeak installed. So I'll give you an example. Mine is located here. Program files, TeamSpeak 3 client, boosh. That's where mine is. Yours could be somewhere else. Now, as far as Acre plugin goes, this is going to be the same. So you are going to need to go find wherever Steam has saved your lovely Arma 3, and then you'll see, boom, all of these folders have been added. You can see my other A3Sync stuff over there. The one we need is Acre 2 plugins. Open. Proceed. Acre 2, Yep, good to go. You can view that if you want to. You can just see it's put in the plugins in the proper location. Close. And now all we need to do is launch our game. So basically, the whole idea behind the Arma 3 sync change is it should have simplified the process. And as you can see, it's basically copy paste, click OK, good to go. And I hope you find this a little bit easier than our previous setup because that was pretty much the goal.